Hello, viewers. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something truly exciting to share with you. Our homemade machine designed for processing and sanding wooden boards and crafted wood pieces. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a woodworker, or someone just curious about innovative tools, this video is for you. We'll walk you through the entire setup, from its simple yet efficient design to how it works in action. You'll see how this machine takes rough wood and transforms it into smooth, polished pieces ready for your next project. Stay tuned as we dive into the details, show some amazing results, and give you tips on how you can build something like this yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming projects. Let's get started.